What?
Man, these nipples are not
Whoa.
real.
I change shapes just to hide in this place, but I'm still